Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely stunning Harley-Davidson Dyna Lowrider. Here we have a Harley-Davidson FXDL Dyna Lowrider. This is a 2017 bike on a 17 plate with just 4,216 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike is in stunning condition and comes in the very nice black and red colour scheme. As you can see there, all the paintwork is superb. There's a Screamin Eagle air filter there. 103 cubic inches, which is 1690cc. Vance and Hines short shot pipes there in the chrome, looking absolutely superb, really shiny. All the bike's really shiny actually. There's no corrosion anywhere to be seen. It's in stunning condition, this bike, it really is. Rear wheel in great condition. You've got those pannier bag rails there. We don't have the bags, I'm afraid. Shocks, all in excellent condition, as is the rear mudguard there. Rear tyre, bags of life left in that one. As I said, all the paintwork are superb. No damage to the bar end, the mirror or the lever there. All the engine, all the chrome work on it, absolutely superb. There's no flaking off, no sign of any corrosion starting on the engine there at all, and the downpipes there looking absolutely brilliant. The front wheel, again, no damage here, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, and the front forks, they're all in excellent condition. Headlamp, no stone chips, with that chrome cover there as well. All your headstock, top and bottom yokes, all good as well. The left hand side of the bike, it's a similar story here. It's absolutely superb from every angle. This bike is a real head turner. The Dynas, of course, becoming very, very sought after indeed. Mirror, bar end and lever, all good on this side, as is the fork leg and the front wheel. As I said, all the chrome work in superb condition here on the lower engine cases, and the engine itself all absolutely tip top. Paintwork on the tank, absolutely brilliant. No rips or tears in the seats. There's your pannier rail on this side as well, and the battery box all looking good. Swing arm and wheel and indicator and rear fender all in excellent condition. No sign of any kind of corrosion whatsoever on that rear fender, as you can see. Top of the bike, again, no sign of any rips or tears in the seat. Petrol tank with those twin style fillers there, looking absolutely superb, with the petrol gauge in the left hand cap there, as you can see. Mix of analog and digital for your dials. Harley-Davidson alarm and Immobiliser fitted as well. So if you are looking for an iconic Harley-Davidson, look no further than this stunning Dyna Lowrider. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come on the current MOT. The service is required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this superb Harley-Davidson, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take an inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.